Did you know that female humanoid robots have become increasingly advanced in recent years, sparking debates about their potential impact on society? Are we on the brink of a world where female humanoid robots take over the roles traditionally fulfilled by women? Once upon a time, in a not-so-distant future, there was a remarkable development in the field of robotics that captivated the world's attention. Female humanoid robots, with their striking resemblance to human women, were being introduced into various aspects of society. The implications of this technological advancement were both fascinating and thought-provoking. Picture a world where these female humanoid robots, with their impeccable beauty and flawless features, effortlessly perform domestic chores, excel in professional careers, and even provide emotional companionship. It sounds like a futuristic dream come true, but is it really? AI robots and virtual assistants, initially employed in call centers during the 1990s, marked the beginning of dialogue systems, showcasing their efficiency in handling tasks and providing cheerful greetings. Female humanoid robots have made significant advancements, but they still have limitations when compared to real women. Here are some areas where they differ in terms of abilities and limitations. Abilities. Endurance. Robots possess the advantage of uninterrupted work without fatigue or the need for breaks, making them well-suited for tasks involving long hours or repetitive actions. Data processing. Robots excel in processing large volumes of data swiftly and accurately, proving valuable in domains like healthcare, finance, and research. Precision and accuracy. Female humanoid robots excel in precision and accuracy, surpassing humans in tasks that are repetitive or hazardous. Limitations. Emotional awareness. Female humanoid robots lack the emotional intelligence and empathy inherent in humans, unable to comprehend or respond to human emotions with the same depth as real women. Inventiveness. Although robots can imitate certain creative behaviors, they are unable to reproduce the intricacy and originality of human creativity. Versatility. Robots are designed for specific tasks and lack the adaptability of humans to swiftly adjust to new situations or environments. Boundaries of physical capacity. The physical capabilities of female humanoid robots impose limitations, preventing them from engaging in tasks demanding fine motor skills or dexterity, like playing musical instruments or cooking intricate meals. Some examples of female humanoid robots currently in development include Nadine. Developed by researchers at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore, Nadine is a sophisticated humanoid robot. Erica. Erica is another female humanoid robot that has gained attention. She is known for her advanced capabilities and is developed by Hanson Robotics. Aida. Aida is an AI humanoid robot artist developed by researchers at the University of Oxford. She is capable of creating and exhibiting her own original artworks, blurring the boundaries between technology and creativity. Sophia. Considered one of the most advanced humanoid robots, Sophia was designed by Hanson Robotics to resemble Audrey Hepburn. She made her debut in 2016 and has the ability to interact with people. Junko Chihira. Another notable female humanoid robot, Junko Chihira, was developed by Toshiba. She is designed to sustain contact and has the ability to see. Female AI avatars often dominate in roles involving empathy and conversation, possibly due to the societal perception that women excel in these areas. Examples like Sophia by Hanson Robotics and Erica by Hiroshi Ishiguro reflect this belief in creating humanoid companions for conversation and companionship. Conversely, physical robots like Hermes from MIT or Atlas from Boston Dynamics often have a masculine appearance, prompting speculation about whether their design aligns with societal notions of male strength and power. Gender disparities persist in AI and robotics, with fewer women than men in AI careers, such as researchers and developers. This gender gap extends to venture capital, where female-led startups face funding challenges, despite their potential for substantial returns. Ethical considerations regarding female humanoid robots encompass several aspects. Firstly, the use of humanoid robots as substitutes for human relationships raises concerns about supplanting genuine human bonds. This can potentially lead to the erosion of meaningful social connections and intimacy, isolating individuals from authentic interactions. Another consideration is the perception of humanness and the expectations placed on female robots. Female robots are often perceived as more human-like than their male counterparts, which can foster expectations of emotional connection and empathy that they are unable to fulfill. This can lead to disappointment or a misleading sense of companionship. Lastly, the extensive deployment of female humanoid robots in industries traditionally dominated by women, such as caregiving or customer service, raises concerns about job displacement and economic inequalities. It is important to address these potential impacts on employment and strive for a fair and equitable society. Overall, ethical considerations surrounding female humanoid robots involve the potential consequences on human relationships, consent and exploitation, perception of humanness, and the impact on employment and societal inequalities. The influence of imaginary depictions. Gender stereotypes in AI are perpetuated by popular media and science fiction, where male tech titans are often portrayed as heroes and geniuses, reinforcing male dominance. Developing virtual characters. Virtual agents and avatars are shaped by user preferences, with studies indicating a preference for a woman's voice in call center assistants. As a result, virtual assistants often possess submissive personalities with a calm and polite female voice. However, research challenges the assumption that a female voice is inherently more suitable, as user preferences for the submissive type are not clearly defined. To address gender stereotypes in AI, several initiatives and efforts are underway. The Partnership on AI, initiated by leading AI companies, seeks to bring together experts and non-experts to develop best practices and guidelines for various AI applications. The focus on human-machine interactions aims to ensure fairness and accuracy in the design of virtual agents. Additionally, conscious efforts are being made to recruit and promote more female talent in AI research, while investors are encouraged to support female-led startups. The future entails collaboration between humans and female humanoid robots, as their role is to assist and enhance, not replace women. Women's irreplaceable value and diverse contributions extend beyond the capabilities of robots. Instead of viewing female humanoid robots as replacements, should we see them as tools to perform specific tasks? That's it for today. Click here to watch Rebel Against Human. Female humanoid robots want to run the world. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.